Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato sheds, everyone. We've got something a little bit different for you today. Our friends at the tool shed have hooked us up with a few goodies, and basically the big question is, are they any good? These have got really good price points. You're $300 for this kit, which for a drill driver, 2 3 amp hour batteries and a charge is really good value for money. Let's open this up first. The boxing's quite nice. It's, shows you what you've got on it and what you're getting with it. Take this out of its box, and it comes in a nice little carry bag. Boom, turn it around that way, the tool shed branding on there. So it's always nice to have something to put your tools back in after you've used them. And first out of the box is the charger. So, good little single battery charger, feels reasonably strong. Got your lights to indicate that it's charging or being charged. So, first feel of that, it feels quite strong and good. So that's quite cool. Oh, got the battery operated drill here. Got a steel chuck on it, which is really nice to see. And it's got some good weight to it, it feels quite good, feels nice in the hand. Be interesting putting the battery in that and then having a feel for how well weighted is it going to tip. But it's a full hammer drill, multiple speeds, like two main speeds on the top for if you're drilling, say, normal drilling into wood, or if you're drilling into something a bit more heavy duty, or with a really big drill bit, like if you were putting on a 22mm auger to drill a fence post, you'd have it down low, and then the impact driver. But let's bust out a battery first. So in this kit you get 2 lithium ion 3 amp hour batteries. They also do a 5 amp hour battery as well. So nice little battery, got your little button at the back letting you know how much charge it's got, which is a good little feature. Same thing, feels like a nice battery. Oh yeah, that's good. Slips in really nice, and it's all nice and tightly fitted. So that's, something that's quite good. Turn it on, you got your light shining at your work. So, just all the sort of things you'd expect to see on a drill. So, these little belt clips, which I'm a big fan of. Little clips, so you can clip it onto your tool belt or your belt. Sweet. So yep, got that on. Nice steel clip, quite nice and big, which on some tool belts that's good. Sometimes when I'm at home and I'm just doing the odd job, I just clip it onto my belt, have it there. Pew, pew. And then the impact driver. This is one tool you just can't live without. Screwing all your tech screws in if you're building a shed, but also fixing a desk at home or building a fence, just absolutely everything and anything, you're going to go for an impact driver. Same thing, fits on there quite nicely. It's nice and flat. It's feels quite good in the hand, and so does the impact driver. It doesn't feel too heavy at the bottom or the top. It feels reasonably well weighted, and I think they look pretty cool. The red and the black's a good combo. So if you do buy, say, a kit set off us, we always send you drill bits and a hex bit for your tech screws. So you pull that little piece forward, slip that in, and then that's stuck in there. Pull it forward again to release it. So obviously you can use any range of pieces for these. You can't use the really little drivers you get in some sets because they get lodged in there. So same thing, nice light on it, forwards, backwards. I mean, there's not much more than that to them. It shows your battery charge. Genuinely, on any tools, you should always charge your battery fully before you use it. So those are looking really cool, so I'm excited to get out the back in the next bit and screw in some screws and see how much power that has to do it. It's got the fans on the side to help cool the motor, which is quite good because it means if you need to push on the back if you're in an awkward position, you can, and you're not covering that fan and making it overheat. All right, we've got our little setup going on here as if we're building a shed. So first thing, pull out the tool shed C-clamps, and I'm gonna adjust that, clamp that on there, clamp that on so it's all steady, and then we'll give the impact driver a go first. So got my driver bit on there, and then this style of tech screws is framing tech screws for us. All our framing's held together by them unless it's bolted. So always use your hearing protection with any power tools. So let's see. Well, so far so good, that went in no worries. I've got the other battery on charge so we can make sure we've got a fully charged battery. But yeah, that's working really well. I've also got in my other pocket some long cladding screws to hold on your cladding. So they'll go into here if it was, say, a wall sheet or a roof. No worries. So yeah, so far that feels good, doing the job. Yeah, so that's working really well. Obviously I'm going to take it round with me, get it out on site, drop it, get it wet, get it in the mud, you know, really put it through its paces. But to start with, boom, that's putting in tech screws perfectly. So that's really good sign. So now I'll swap over and get the drill on the job. So I've got it in hammer, which I shouldn't. Put it onto the drill mode there. Crank it up. Chuck it on number 2. Hearing protection back on. Beautiful. You know, brand new bit, which helps, but use new bits, that's always a good tip. So yeah, so far good. Same thing, get it out on site, drill a bunch of holes with it. We'll get it onto the concrete breaking mode, put a concrete drill bit in there, drill some concrete, drill a whole bunch of different stuff, and really get a feel for how that goes. So yeah, I'm pretty pleasantly surprised, you know, very happy with how well those have worked, really. It's for a kit for $300 to be able to straight away be drilling, putting in the screws, that's really good value for money. Yeah, that's feeling really good. Cool, so the conclusion is I've been using these tools for a few weeks out on site, been using the impact driver all the time. I haven't used the drill as much, but they're great. For the price, the money that you're paying, I'd highly recommend getting these. It's just they haven't missed a beat, they've felt really good, they've done everything I've wanted to, so pop into your local tool shed, 30 stores nationwide, and pick yourself up one. Cheers.